Hi guys, and today topic is encapsulation. And previously, I will explain so many topics in class methods, object, data types, and static methods, conditions, loops, keywords, arrays, and the scanner switch, and oops in inheritance polymorphism. All topics are done, and I will providing in description or check it out and watch it the till end of videos, and I will explain today topic is encapsulation. Encapsulation like encaps I will show it encapsulation like encapsule tablet and encapsulation. And for now, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. The more videos I will providing a very detailed way. Thank you for everything, guys, and I will explain it simple way. And this is a whole body is a one class, and this class will provide data and methods. These methods and data behind the class, and this type of methods is methods behavior and data members. These are the encapsulation like data members, data methods combining in the one capsule. Okay, combining the one capsule. These are all the class, and inside the class variables and data is combination. And class, oh, this is a whole class, and methods and variables and data types will store it in capsule. That's the main thing is encapsulation. And behind the encapsulation data bind. Encapsulation is the process of binding or wrapping the data on the code that operator on that data into single entity. Okay, single entity. And this is the code. I will explain the practically, will understanding more. Okay, I'll explain practically and understanding more. Each name. Let's do the program. Let's start the video. I will show it one class encapsulation. Encap Encapsulation and finish the program. I will create one class. I will create one class. This is a encap. I'll create one private with with sorry, I will forget it the type of spelling. Private private int private string name equal to, and private ag equal to 23. um, Durga. I will create two types of ints. um, emp name. Emp means employee, means emp equal to and emp h control s. We'll create class name and cap a equal to new a dot name a dot m1. We'll print it m1 and run it this program, and emp name and emp age is printed. This is the encapsulation. This is the encapsulation, guys, and I will successfully running this program. These are the encapsulation. It's nothing but small type of this program, and same to same this program to big level to execute it same way. Same, this is data types and data types. This is a data type, this is a variable, and combining the values and combination. These are all the class. These are all the class and combining values. This is the data methods, data members, and methods and variables. And this is the old class. The same example. This is the old class and data method, data types, and data methods combining. And this is the encapsulation. This is the output. And thank you for watching, and more updates to please subscribe my channel.